Hey everybody, how's it going? Shonn Campbell here with FXinventoryTrading.com. Wanted to spend a few minutes talking about one of my favorite trades coming up this month, the British Pound US Dollar. I'm relatively bullish on this pair, and I'll give you my technical analysis on why. I think we have a few hundred pips to the upside at least, with maybe a little bit more. So let's just jump in here real quick. This is a pound dollar weekly chart, and as you can see, we've made a shift in my moving average wave. Okay, the move right here that you can see, where all of the moving averages have crossed. They went from stacked down, okay, to now they're stacked up, and this gives me a relatively good indication, okay, that we're in what I call a CT formation, which is which really doesn't mean anything to anybody else, but to me it means a lot. So that means that I think that usually on any time frame, okay, it has now a higher probability of reaching up to the 200 exponential moving average than it does to just sit and range out or move down again. Usually, okay, most of the time, if you get this wave up in this look, then you get a good chance of heading up there. So I like the look that we're in right now. I like the V formations that I'm seeing, okay, and I'm expecting a new V formation on this weekly chart, okay? So that's sort of the weekly view, the 10,000 foot view. Okay, let's go to a little bit closer view and let's go through some technical analysis here. Okay, so the chart that we have here now is a daily chart, the same pair. Here's those V's that we were looking at on the weekly chart, just for reference. Okay, and just like always, anytime you break it down, you get more granularity on the price action that's happening. Okay, so right now on the weekly chart, we had pulled back into the wave, and all this price action was sitting in the wave, and it's being fairly supported. Okay, this move, let's get rid of this. Sorry, let me clear the palette. Okay, so this price action right here got into an important level to me. Okay, that's a great sign. Okay, and then now it went 6 or 7 weeks, okay, or I'm sorry, 6 or 7 days up, had a nice move, and then we've pulled back into that price action 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so right now I'm looking at the 3140 to 3080 area, especially the 3080 area, as supportive for pound dollar right now. And the only thing I don't like right now is that we're wave down, which doesn't mean a lot. It just means that now we have to break some structure to actually start heading up. And I mean, I got no problem being patient for that, letting that happen. But we're above a 200 on the daily. We've got good buy structure and buy formations going on right now. And so this is some pretty encouraging price action in here. Okay, all of this in here. So continues to make me want to be a bull. All right, and then we'll drop down to my lowest time frame here, and we'll talk about the 4-hour chart. Not quite as nice. Okay, what you see on the weekly chart, which is a move into the weekly wave, is actually on a 4-hour chart just a whole bunch of range. Okay, a movement around a flat 200 moving average. You want a definition for range? There you go. A flat 200 exponential and price moving around it. That's my range. Okay, so like we said on the daily chart, something needs to break, right? Something needs to pop to the upside to allow us to take advantage of that bigger move. And so right now, the nearest point of structure is right here. And once that breaks, okay, if that breaks, then that will be bullish mode on for me, and I'll be looking to buy the pound dollar. So that's pretty much my favorite trade of the coming month. Okay, I think that November could provide at least one good solid trend move up in pound dollar and could shoot up into the mid 30s to maybe the upper mid 30s. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. But come check out fxinventorytrading.com. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.